model, 2002 Mercedes Sprinter 311 Cdi Lwb full camper day van project spares or repairs. Body, turquoise, camper. Mileage, 180475. MOT, the 11th of June 2025. Engine, 2151 cc. Transmission, automatic, RWD. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Nice easy fix on one of these old engines. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. This camper comes fully packed in the rear with every amenity you may need. From the kitchen sink to the bed, it really does have it all. This camper would make a great home away from home and would be wonderful for your next trip across Europe or even to the English coast. Features: 3 former keepers, sink, electric hookup, hob, bed. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.